Guys, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistake people make that can actually cost you thousands of dollars for parts, tools, diagnostics that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair Guys. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the alternator, also known as generator on Mercedes C-Class Generation W205. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them, guys. Please do not waste your money on parts and diagnostics until you watch that video. We'll work in a fuse box that's hidden and most people do not know it even exists. By the way, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we will share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. Electronics, engines, computers, transmissions. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the garage here is to save you as much money as we can, guys. All we need in return, please, guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos. Check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, the alternator fuses relays, also known as generator fuses and relays, we'll show you where we'll be working now. Guys, quick advice from us, 9 out of 10 owners do not know there will be up to 6 different hidden fuse boxes in that Mercedes. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes W205 fuse box location and diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. What we need to do today, we need to open the hood. Most people know about the main engine fuse box, which is under that cover. You see that white box with a black cover, that's the main engine fuse box. But guys, surprise, we need to come to a hidden fuse box that's on the left side. You see that cover here? Go ahead and open it, guys, and underneath you're going to find the positive jump starter terminal. And on the back side, if you look, you have many cables going in and out. Now guys, here you may have two different kinds depending on the year, model and engine. But before we continue, let's explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick, guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays. They look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays. And if you want to see how to do that, guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. And here, guys, what we need to check specifically, if you have that kind of pre-fuse box, you will, guys, need to check fuse number 13. This is your main fuse right here that you will need to check for the alternator, also known as generator. If you have the other kind of fuse box, we're talking about fuse number 10. Okay, right there. So those are the main fuses, mega fuses that you will, guys, need to check. I want to show you what it looks like. Let me show you. We have one fuse box that's similar, pre-fuse box that's open like that one. Okay, you see, you have these mega fuses that look like this one here. Now, also, if you still have problems with the charging system, guys, we have a video that explains where the battery sensor, BMS sensor, fuses and relays are located as well. Check those if you have problems as well, guys. Guys, quick advice. Now, that generation Mercedes, it has all kinds of different fuses and relays. I want to show you some of them. Those are super special ones as well, guys. And those pre-fuse boxes as well. Check it out. You will have a great variety of fuses, relays. So, by the way, if you guys want to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, we recommend to keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below so you can see where you can get them from and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.